Hello and good afternoon. A warm welcome from KOKRAJHAR in Assam in the Bodo region. And this is the fourth match, the ITBP football team taking on Karbi Anglong Morning Star. 33 degrees Celsius, it's very humid, 70%. And here the dignitaries would be moving to the center of the park. Sunil Chetri, the right foot or the left foot? What a great player. And here's arrived the... Oh, that's with the left foot and wonderful.
But we'll have a look at the lineups of the team, a 4-3-3 and the two captains. And here's a team who has been doing very well lately, Karbi Anglong Morning Star. They go to the 4-3-3 as well. A new page in the history-rich storybook of the Indian Oil Durand Cup as ITBP make their Durand Cup debut, while Karbi Anglong Morning Star, they eye for a bigger and brighter future in Indian football. And in yellow and black, it's ITBP attacking from left to right of your screen, and in white and blue, the Karbi Anglong Morning Star. Now what do they have in their locker? Sangti, interesting one. Slightly heavier touch, still in the box. Looking to turn out there, but probably the wrong option. Had support. But they're not really finding those through passes being covered so well. That is a late lunge, and that might be trouble. It was straight to his shins, and which color will it be? It is a straight red. And the moment he went into the challenge, it seemed like something's not really...
Have to have a look at the replay again, as it was just slightly taken away. It's so high, it's dangerous, reckless, endangering an opponent. You can only see one outcome, one decision. That's a straight red card.
Yeah, also have to give credits to that touch from Pullum. And Ben has been sent off, and Karbi Anglong are down to 10 men.
But they've just sacrificed that extra midfielder now where they're getting overrun.
And once more a mistake. Lunmin Len is in the area. Can he get the goal for Karbi Anglong? Dribbles past two. And there is the first for Karbi Anglong Morning Star. They were looking for some hope. And with one man down, they take the lead against all odds. And in some style that have to praise the quality of this youngster. The way he takes on the defenders and finds the bottom corner.
Switch play a little bit more, but again they've turned the ball over cheaply.
A lazy touch there from Joseph. But they do have the ball, and they do look for a goal. And spilled out by the keeper. And on the second attempt makes the save. Looks like a goal kick has been given. Lunmin Len is surprised. But that was a sudden surprise for the keeper as well. The shot from Hemba Mete, way out. Oh, interesting pass. The defense is beaten. The flag has stayed down. And there it is. They are back in the game. And it is Pulung Taimari. The local strikes against the local side. And ITBP are back in the game. 1-1 before half-time. And probably the perfect time to get back at level terms. Has Tonbor in support. Tonbor looking for Sri Kumar out there. It was inches away from him, but I'm very sure they once again beat that offside trap.
Stop anything going through, but you mentioned that high line.
Oh, that is a wonderful pass through, but there was a scare that the flag will go up. It has gone up a bit late. A space on the right. Closely being watched by the captain. Sri Kumar steps away, two in the box waiting, and a fantastic finish to get ITBP on the lead. Hemraj Bajel with a first-timer beats the keeper in some style.
Oh, we talked about it all game in terms of that defending midfield position, Sitlow. He had such an impact then with a raking ball to the far side. When you've got a man less, you've got to cover and balance differently. And as they're trying to reorganise Karbi Anglong Morning Star and drop deeper and deeper, it just allows that ball to be played.
Adal Rukima, not a place where you would want him to dribble, and Prujal was almost there to snatch the opportunity, and that is why you do not want your attacking players to drop down and dribble in that region. Almost perfectly done by Sri Kumar there. This time he will avoid that offside marking once again. Sri Kumar driving in, has found the man who almost found that bottom corner. Solomon Mangte very acrobatic attempt, but missed by margins.
Lot of appreciation and the welcome that he received.
And here's Pujel, he's through on goal with the outside of the boot, tried something cheeky, but missed the target.
Emraj again through on goal. There's some protest over a corner or goal kick. He's a player full of confidence since that goal. It was lovely movement in the box early to get the goal again.
Maybe try something out here, and that is a mistake. The better option would have been to sit out there down the corner. Sujit, almost through, they still might have a chance. Risky, the keeper is out, and a mistake from the keeper. Can they convert? Well, no is the answer. And how scary was that for ITBP for a moment? A nicely dribbled past, a big deflection as well. And that was Mukesh Timum, could have been a hero from the bench coming on. But that'll be a corner for Karbi Anglong. Things happening here. And there goes the full-time whistle. And a stealth show to seal the game from ITBP. And they have the first 3 points on their debut game in the Durand Cup. At full-time, it is ITBP 2 and Karbi Anglong 1.